Hey, what's up guys? Ryan Rick, the host of your show, Ryan Vlogs 2. Not the number 2, not like you're going to watch this vlog, but T-O-O, like an addition, like also. How are you guys? Happy Saturday to you. Kind of rocking a mobile setup today. We're heading out to a car show later on, so I wanted to kind of have something portable, kind of on like an action video grip. I posted some pictures on Facebook and Twitter. You can check them out. But I'm using like the Rode Video Mic Pro, and it's very windy outside today, so I've got the Dead Cat VMP, which is kind of like a fuzzy windscreen for the Video Mic Pro, plugged directly into the GoPro Hero 4 using like the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter. Like I said, I posted pictures on Facebook and Twitter, so you can check them out if you're not familiar. And then I've got a Zoom H1 kind of zip tied to it, and a Rode SmartLav Plus, which is a lavalier microphone. So I figure I could always be mic'd up while I'm at the car show, even though the camera might be facing, you know, what I'm looking at. And then I have the Rode Video Mic Pro to capture the audio, you know, of kind of the car show. And then with me with a mic on, kind of like, you know, like commentary, or maybe, you know, I might talk to somebody about their car, you know, so while the camera's facing them, I'll get them with really good audio, and then I'll have a mic on myself, and then I can just bring that audio in post-production. So just hanging out here at home, just got out of the shower, just ate. Braden's in the shower. He just finished eating some cereal. I think he had some Honey Nut Cheerios. I think he had a couple bowls. We cooked spaghetti last night. We had homemade spaghetti, made meat sauce and bread, and it was really good. We ate a lot. So, and last night, Karen and I watched, if you guys didn't know, I really love the show on CBS, Blue Bloods, and the season premiere of that was on last night. So it was pretty crazy season premiere, which they always are for a new season when they start. But fall television is here. Happy fall. It is going to be about 85 today and extremely windy outside. So that was why I decided to kind of rock the mobile setup today. But having it sit here on a monopod, you know, while I'm filming, is going to offer a lot of stability with the shot to make sure that 4K is looking super crispy here. So let's step outside where it's windy, and then we can see how much noise we actually get with that Dead Cat VMP. So I can show you here kind of what we're looking at. I don't know how well you can see us or the reflection of that. Probably not well at all. It's a fail. It's a fail. Here, wait, I can get smart with this actually. Hold on. I've got an idea. Got an idea. Let me grab my phone here. I just got really clever for us. Okay, so you can see here what we're rocking. I don't know how well you can see that. So you can see the GoPro here is on this monopod that I'm holding, and I know my audio might look strange right now because, or sound strange because I'm now behind the mic. So, but nonetheless, you can see kind of what's going on there. So creative, I know. So let's see here if this helps any better or not. No. Hello. So that's what we're doing. So let's go outside here. I can show you. Kind of see it there. So, and it is windy out. So directly, again, when it cuts out big time, it's because I'm behind the mic. So that's what happens. Oh, it's bright out here too. I don't think it's too bad with the wind out here with that windscreen on. It's super bright out though. This should work out really well today. And portable. Bam. See? I think it kind of works out. So, I don't know. Like I said, when I'm standing behind it, it's going to cut out because the mic's on top. But I'm always trying something fun and something different. So, we'll be heading out here in a bit. we'll see some cool cars, hopefully. Yeah. I'm such a ding-dong here. Now you can see. I'm such a ding-dong. I'm like, duh, the mirror. There you go. So now you can see exactly what's going on. We got the Video Mic Pro and then the windscreen up top. And then we got this action video grip. And then the Zoom H1 is kind of attached right here. And then here's the cables into the GoPro. And then the monopod you can see. What's up, Brayden?
What's up?
Have a little fun on Forza?
A little bit.
Looked like your Hennessy Venom car is a little banged up there, bud.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Can't drive. Oh, that wasn't bad.
A little pre-car show entertainment from Mr. Brayden on the Titanfall sticks.
Uh-huh.
The huge mobile setup today. What's up, bud? We made it. Karen, hello. At the car show. The International Route 66 Mother Road Festival is upon us here. Springfield, Illinois. Take a look at all these awesome cars. Little family day. Love that smell. The undeniable smell of just burnt rubber.
Unless it's a belt in your engine.
And brakes and clutches. Brakes and clutches and everything else.
Oh my.
I'm glad I got that windscreen on here today. It's nice and breezy in the downtown capital city. What's up, kids? What's up, kids?
Hi.
He's like, that kid's on YouTube. I just heard it.
Really?
I just heard it. He goes, that kid's on YouTube. Say that was you or me, buddy. Got spotted.
You're younger, I bet
yeah, I
it's
was spotted.
Because they were still stressed.
Spotted. Oh, wow. Where do you guys want to go? Down there? That way. Go down this way. Go down this way. Go down this way. What's up, fellas? How are you? Oh, yeah. Gotta watch your step, Brayden. The first step's always a doozy. This SRT. See that? It's got a Viper motor in it. That's the SRT 10 motor Viper. What's he got? That's the kind of truck you want, right there?
No, it's not big enough.
You look good in that.
Yeah, but it's not big
Not with
enough.
all of us, but be a good fun truck with it. I know.
Take it home.
just in case the car took off one way or the other. Yeah. Tire rubber, a ton of it. Oh, here we go. Probably should get that out of here. I know, right? Wait, well, this is all probably nicely, freshly watered. It's family day. Family. Well, kind of almost a family. Partial family day. Out enjoying the day.
I see a purple vehicle over there.
Purple vehicle? Where at? You want to go swimming? It says no wading or swimming.
I want to go dipping.
Go this way. You go this way. Dun, dun, dun. We're short people. Yeah. You know what this is, right? Huh? Look at the wheels, man. Big Mustang, big turbo. Oh, Brayden, this is where it's at, though.
The green is the
It's got like original everything.
Yes, this is to be alive and driving when this was out. That would have been the fastest thing in the street. But you'd have taken everybody on the weekends racing. Man. So they told Ray and said just to be alive this time and drive the race. Well built by Mopart's Challenge R too, though. I'm saying Mopart is the car, you know. Here's another Hellcat. Huh. Definitely in white, huh? What's wrong?
Stuff on the stick.
See the orange headers right there. Orange. I like that. Huh?
So like
that
the
kid tested, kid approved.
I like the green one better.
The green one better. Huh?
There's like nitrous back here.
Nitrous car. Whatever. Big old blue thing.
Yeah, can we have that car?
You see the sticker here?
Piss me off.
It's got the factory kicker sub. Sweet. Yeah, that's factory right there. I like that art. Yeah, big bottle of nitrous right there. Oh wow. Huh. Oh wow. Yeah. Yeah. Digging the carbon fiber up here.
What?
Carbon fiber.
What's that?
Don't touch, yeah.
I'm not gonna touch it. Whoa, look at this.
She's got a lot of extras in it. License plate, shake and bake. Yeah, automatic. It's very clean. It's a 2009, I think. $2009. I said it's a 2000. I said 2009, I think. 2009. That's clean. Oh, that's sick right here. It's a nice subtle touch right there. Wheels are in remarkable shape too for the polished aluminum wheels. Spoilers on charge. I love it. Lights like shake and bake.
Nice.
Shake and bake, and I help. Alright, Corvette, bud. I see it. Yeah, that's... wow. The yellow Charger. Batman. Yeah, see the doors? Did you happen to notice them going up? Alright. It's a nice scene there. I love it.
There's no way it drives like that.
What?
No, they didn't raise it up.
No, it's got bags on it, bud. It's
Is
bad.
that legal?
So?
It's awesome.
Yeah, it's sick.
It's sick as shit.
Yeah.
I thought that was a GTR for a second.
Huh?
I thought that was a GTR.
No.
Badass.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, he's driving hard.
It's just exquisite work with the airbrush, you know? Are you in trouble? Don't let her out.
Ryan won't let me out.
We can't let her out. You go in the cage too. I'm just joking. Are you gonna come out and be nice? Can you play with the rest of us, or are you still in the cage? My girlfriend got locked up during the vlog. Not really. Oh, well, we had some fun walking around the car show, right guys?
Yeah.
I think everybody's kind of tired. Braden kind of like fell into a little thing and kind of rolled his ankle a little bit, so hopefully you're okay, Mr. Braden. Karen, do you have a good time?
Yeah.
Little family day at the car show. But I hope you guys did enjoy the little car show and the action. Not a lot of action, but it was us. We're out here downtown. I mean, look, it's downtown. You don't want no beef, boy. No, not really. We're not gonna sing. Look, there's the train station. But yeah, guys, I'm Ryan Rick, the host of your show, Ryan Vlogs 2. Not the number 2. Not like you're going to watch this vlog or go to a local car show of your own, but TOO, like in addition, like also. If you guys did enjoy the vlog, please click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you're not, And yeah, hope you guys have a good day, good Saturday. We'll get heading home. Karen needs to eat. We'll edit this vlog so we can get it uploaded for all you to see. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Apologize, the audio is that bad. We are outside and it's very windy, but I got a windscreen on, so we'll hope for the best. But thanks, guys. We'll see you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Tell him bye, Braden.
Bye.
He's not real
Bye.
excited. Bye.
Bye.
Dry it off. And so you might see the soap that's dried there now. Like I said, that won't leave any water spots because it's just soap. So once you add water, boom. So, I mean, you can't leave it soapy all day, but while we hang out and talk and cool off, I didn't catch my breath. I was really whizzing around there. This coffee's good too.